Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in today's video. Today I'm going to talk about Briobie dog reviews, and in this video I will tell you whether this website is legit or a scam. Friends, this website does not belong to us, and if you have never ordered anything from this website, then in this unbiased review I will help you in deciding the answer to this question. That is, should I buy from it or not? Also, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end, as I will share a way to get your money back at the end of this video. This website known as Briobie.com offers you pet products including dog, pet toys, and here you can see some of the pictures regarding it. These pet toys look as real ones and they are really beautiful. You will also get them at discounted price and they are really affordable. Coming to the payment options, you will get PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express to make payment for your purchase on this website. Let us have a look at the shipping policy and let us check what details are given here regarding their shipping. So this is the shipping page, and here they have mentioned that their delivery can take 7 to 30 business days, and they're also offering different shipping charges for different types of deliveries. Guys, before talking about it further, I would like to request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel, as this will motivate us to make more such informative videos for you. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge this website to be a legit or scam one. So we came to know that this website shows a valid HTTPS connection. That is a good sign. Also, we found that the website was registered on 10th July 2020, which means the domain name of the website is still too new to be relied upon. Now let us have a look at the About Us page, and here on the About Us page of this website you will see that they are offering you limited information regarding them. So their About Us page is not really informative. Talking about the prices, we found prices to be unreasonable and too good to be true. That was suspicious. However, various payment modes are provided here on the website. Now let us have a look at the contact page of the website and let us see what all information they are providing you here on their contact us page. As you can see, this is the contact us page, and here they are only giving you their email address, which matches to the domain name of the website. You can also see the office address of the company, but this address is not a real one. So that was a disappointing thing here again. Talking about the social media presence, guys, we could not locate this website on any of the social media platform, and that is a suspicious sign here again. Now let us have a look at the return policy and let us see what information they are providing you. So here on this page they have mentioned that they provide you 45 days return policy. So in case you are not satisfied, you can return your product within 45 days. Guys, if you have any experience regarding the return or refund policy of this website, then do let us know about it in the comment box below. Talking about their customer reviews, we could not get at any of them as the website was generated recently and therefore no reviews are available for it. Therefore, guys, seeing the content quality, we could easily guess that the website shows a sloppy work and limited information, and product images are given here. So content quality overall is not good. Giving a final statement, I would declare this website to be a scam one based on its poor content quality, lack of social media presence. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. So if you want to get your money back wasted on scam websites and products, then do check the link given in the description area. Also, don't forget to share your reviews about this video in the comment box below. Guys, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it today. We advise you to be informed and be safe. Thank you for watching this video and have a beautiful day.